Water, the origin of life, is the representative of the nature power. From drought destroys crops and burns forests, to floods destroying houses and cities, is a constant reminder of human weakness. Human beings have never stopped their efforts to effectively control and dispatch water from ancient times. The diesel water pump set has the advantages of independent operation, fast movement, and high adaptability, which can realize high lift, large flow, and efficient transfer of water and other liquids. Low cost and high efficient workers. Highly developed industrial supply chain. And abundant supply of raw materials. The world's largest single market, and gradual improvement of government policies, making China so attractive to international companies. Most of international well-known brands are producing their products in China now, helping China gathering the world-class supply chain resources and technologies for water pump set industry.
日前，湖北襄阳市警方历时90天，成功破获了一起特大制售假冒发动机的案件。
However, due to a large portion of pump sets are used as emergency rescue equipment, quality problems can be easily hidden, and it's very difficult for foreign companies to take legal action against a Chinese company. There are lots of Chinese companies cheating customers by selling fake, second-hand rebuilt or mismatched products and neglecting after-sales support. These irresponsible vendors tainted the golden Made in China brand. International companies now face tremendous obstacles when dealing with Chinese suppliers, impeding Sino-foreign business cooperation. With core business philosophy of "a promise is a promise," EMAC Group Limited was established in 2010, focusing on diesel engine applications. Our products are widely used in energy, maritime, automotive, construction, pump set, and railways. Committed to providing premium pump-driven power pack to water pump set manufacturers all around the world, PumpMac is a sub-brand of EMAC that focusing on water pump applications. Our core business philosophy is "a promise is a promise," and practice the attitude of "be realistic, be innovative." Our water pump set factory, located in Nanjing, Jiangsu Province, with highly automated production line and covers 20,000 square meter area, has more than 50 professional workers and 20 senior engineers. As officially authorized water pump OEM packager of world well-known brands such as Cummins and Deutz, PumpMac provides one-stop solutions, from pre-design to component supply, from installation to commissioning, from pre-sales communication to after-sales service support. With affordable Chinese-level prices, PumpMac provide flexible premium pump-driven power pack for all kinds of applications, including irrigation, fire protection, ships, mining, metallurgy, and the petroleum. PumpMac's ranges of products are water pump drive engine and accessories, PTO, advanced gearbox, pump head, water pump set, mobile pump trailer, drainage emergency vehicle. With years of experience in power pack supplying, our well-trained operation team can quickly understand and respond to customer needs. According to the working environment and requirement of our customers, we will provide the most cost-effective solutions. and help customer to avoid mismatching problems, helping customers to improve efficiency and reduce communication costs. Our slogan, "A promise is a promise," is rooted upon EMAC's TSI quality control system. Our 1-2-3 after-sales service standard removes all customer worries. With the concept of growing and developing together, we also provide additional services to our global partners, including marketing and management training, technical support, and after-sales service training. Through more than 10 years of continuous effort, PumpMac has been exporting our premium pump-driven power pack to customers from more than 30 countries, including the USA, Australia, France, Turkey, Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam. And some of them are global, well-known water pump set manufacturers. As a new generation Chinese company, EMAC follows a high transparency, straightforward communication style. Our unremitting heart and soul daily effort is to chase a career of our own lifetime, not a business for short term. We believe our philosophy, "A promise is a promise," will bring PumpMac to a world-class brand. And our attitude, "Be realistic, be innovative," will bring EMAC to a glory century enterprise.